Is Marian Grace Charleston a total scam, or just another misunderstood online boutique? If you've fallen for those dreamy ads promising luxury dresses at bargain prices, you're not alone. But let's talk about what's really going on behind the scenes, because the truth isn't so pretty. First up, the whole Charleston or London branding. It's mostly smoke and mirrors. These sites want you to believe you're supporting a cute local boutique, but in reality, your package is coming direct from overseas, usually China. Now about the quality. I've seen tons of reviews on Trustpilot and Reddit, and the pattern is always the same. What arrives is almost never what was pictured. Think thin, synthetic fabrics instead of the promised silk or linen, and sometimes there's even a strong chemical smell. Not exactly the luxury you signed up for, right? And if you're thinking, no big deal, I'll just return it, well, brace yourself. Their so-called hassle-free returns often mean you'll be shipping your item back to China, paying more in postage than the item's worth. Most people just give up at that point. Let's not forget about those gorgeous photos in their ads. Many are straight up stolen from legitimate designers, so what you see is rarely what you get. And with sites like charlestonboutique.com and sarahkatecharleston.com popping up and disappearing, it's a classic churn and burn game. Quick heads up, there is a real Marian Grace fine children's clothing boutique based in South Carolina, so don't mix them up with these aggressive online ads. Bottom line? If a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is. Protect your wallet, shop smart, and always check those reviews before you click buy.